Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Start with Python, SQL, and core statistics. Begin by learning basic Python syntax, pandas for data frames, and SQL queries for selecting, joining, and aggregating data. Aim for 10 hours per week for 12 weeks to build fundamentals. Supplement with a short online course or textbook chapters and focused practice. Complete one small project every 2 weeks to apply concepts. Choose projects like exploratory analysis of a public dataset, simple visualizations, and code reviews to solidify skills and create reusable code snippets. Learn linear algebra basics like matrices, eigenvectors, and SVD. Combine that with calculus intuition for gradients and optimization when studying ML algorithms. Study probability, hypothesis testing, and regression thoroughly so you can interpret p-values, confidence intervals, and model coefficients. Practice scikit-learn pipelines for feature scaling, selection, and cross-validation. Build 3 end-to-end projects including data cleaning and deployment. Ensure each project includes raw data ingestion, reproducible preprocessing, modeling, and a short report or presentation to explain choices and results. Master model evaluation, precision, recall, awk, and cross-validation so you can choose metrics aligned to business goals and avoid overfitting. Learn feature engineering, regularization, ensemble techniques, and simple neural networks. Track experiments with tools like MLflow or simple logging. Deploy models using Flask or Fast API and Docker containers to create reproducible endpoints and demonstrate real-world inference. Prepare a portfolio of 5 polished projects and write case studies that explain problem framing, data choices, model trade-offs, and measurable impact for prospective employers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.